Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own personal natural hair journey, DIY styling ideas and so much more. Do check out my channel if you have not done so. If you've not subscribed, it really means a lot to me if you did subscribe, where I post regular content like every other day. So do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Would mean a lot to me. In today's video, I cover 8 ways to avoid dry hair this autumn. The autumn season is coming up and we know we'll be wearing scarves and hats and socialites, and it can actually dry out our natural hair. So in this video, I cover 8 ways we can try to avoid dry hair this autumn. So stay tuned. The first one is we should wash our hair only when needed. I tell you on this channel that I don't wash my hair every week. I tend to wash my hair at least once a month, but certainly not every week. That's because it can constantly shampooing our hair can dry out our hair, and we will not get the best result from our hair if it is dry. And so really trying to avoid shampooing and avoiding the stripping of your natural oils. So in the autumn months, try and not to wash your hair as often as you probably would in the other months, because you're going to be covering it, you're going to be wearing a scarf, and this also applies to winter. Do check out my other video on how to winterize your natural hair, and I share some other good tips for this season for your natural type 4, type 4C hair. The next one is to try a moisturizing treatment. I've recently done a banana and avocado treatment on my hair, and those two simple ingredients. I actually had the avocado and it was actually slightly going off, and the banana was very, very ripe. And so sometimes our fruits are going off, and a good tip is to actually just try them, mix them together. I blended them together with a little bit of fenugreek in there mixed in, and my hair was so soft and so moisturized. So you want to try a moisturizing treatment probably every couple of weeks, I would say. So you're not shampooing your hair often, but you can certainly give it more moisturizing treatments more often. So do go ahead and try those ingredients that you already have at home, your avocados, your bananas, and anything that's more, your aloe veras. I did a pre-poo with my aloe vera as well, and I really realized that really made a difference to my hair. So try some homemade treatments. Really nice easy tip here, to put on a hat. Put a hat on it. The hat will obviously prevent the harsh autumn breeze. If you're in the UK like myself, and autumn can get very, very cold, the hat would obviously form a barrier and your hair will not be exposed to the breeze and other elements that will dry your natural hair. So certainly put a hat on. It doesn't have to be a cap like this. You can obviously make it very, very stylish. And I've seen that's going around that there are certain beanie hats that you can have with silk inside it to obviously make sure that your natural hair is not being messed up while it's under there. It's also being protected with a silk layer. But certainly putting on a hat is very obviously cute, but also helps your natural hair. This helps your natural hair not to be dry this autumn. The next one is to try a spritz with humectant. I have recently done on my channel a spritz video. It was consisting of aloe vera and castor oil, and you can try that. You can also try adding humectants in there. I've got glycerin-based products. I do my favorites. Leave-in is Eskel, so you could also try to have something with humectant that draws the moisture from the air to your hair. So give that a try as well. One of the easiest things is to pop on a wig. A wig is also like a hat, and it forms a layer to protect your natural hair. So do go ahead. You can have a cute one, natural looking wigs, like if you like myself and you like to prefer to. These are crochet braids. I like to have the more stylish, the more natural looking sort of protective style. So you can try a wig that really very much looks like your natural hair, and you will still be cute and you will still be protecting your natural hair. So try a wig, and also do not neglect your hair underneath that wig. That wig is just there to help you grow your hair out if that's your wish, or you still need to be, just like you wash your face and moisturize your face, you still do need to pay attention to your hair underneath the wig. Next up is obviously, goes without saying, moisture comes from the inside, right? So you want to stay hydrated, drink a lot of water, especially, you can hear me now, I'm a bit stuffy. Coming up in these seasons, we're going to be catching colds and different things like that. So just having water, just drinking a lot of water will help your body overall just to stay hydrated, and that will obviously come through your strands. You don't want your hair to be splitting from the time it's growing out, because you're going to have problems. While that hair grows, you're going to have some problems with it. So you want to stay hydrated by drinking water, but adding water also to your hair when you get the opportunity to. goes back to one of my previous points about adding in a treatment. You can deep condition your hair once a week. I use adding protein into my regimen. I do add my hair mayonnaise, which is by Queen Helen, or you can try any other hair mayonnaise. You can also make your own deep conditioning treatment and apply this to your natural hair once a week for the autumn to give you that additional layer. Okay, so hopefully you're finding these tips beneficial. Do go ahead and give my channel a subscribe, a like, and do share it with someone that you feel might benefit from this content. Do check out my other videos. It really does mean a lot to me. I've got several playlists. I've got the hair growth playlist, which I think you will find very, very useful. So do go ahead and play that out and help me to get the watch time up, because I've been making a lot of short videos, and as such, my watch time is not as great as it should be. But I have been very busy creating a lot of content for you all, and you'll find it beneficial in those playlists. I've got a growth one, I've got a style one, and a few others that's in there. So do go ahead and check out my playlists. So the final tip I have for you, like a bonus tip if you like, for autumn, is just to wrap your hair at night time or wear a silk bonnet to protect your hair. Obviously it's a colder month, so we might be changing off to nice warmer bedding to keep our bodies warm, but that could also work against our natural hair, and you want to make sure that you at least have some sort of satin or silk on your bed or on your hair. So my bonnet that I wear is a African print on the outside, and inside it's got a silk there, so you want to make sure that your hair is protected while you are sleeping. And I've got a little bit of a typo there, but that's fine. We've gotten to the end of this slide presentation. I do hope you have enjoyed this, and I do hope you've learned something. And do give me a comment below to let me know how I'm doing, and any other tips that I may have missed out that you're going to be trying this autumn would be really, really beneficial. Thank you so much for checking out Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair. I will see you in the next video. Do have a blessed day. Bye bye.